Hello and welcome to Tableau benchmarking. The first step when I connect to my dataset is to drag in the country and the different metrics. Then I can start to create my parameter. With this parameter, I can select my country from the list. Now I will create the calculated field to return the measure, only for the selected country by the parameter. So we do if our country parameter is the same as our country, then return the piece score. We don't need the rest for now. So if I swap it to Australia, only the piece index for that country is returned. Now I want to create a calculated field that will repeat my calculation across all the rows. So I'm going to exclude the country and return the piece score. You see, it repeats across all the rows. Now I'm going to create a calculated field that subtracts the selected value from the original. So we do the absolute of the sum of our p-score minus p-score number 3. The next part is for the competitive scores. And now the next part, we will create the different Boolean parameters that act as an on-off switch for each of our scores. And I can simply duplicate the parameter and change the name. Now we're ready to aggregate all the scores. So let's go ahead and create a calculated field called aggregation. And we're going to include all the parameters. So we'll do if the p-score is false, then give me a 0. Else p-score step 3. And And we do the same for the innovation score. If innovation score equals false, then 0. Else innovation score 3. And at last, if competitiveness score is false, then 0. Else competitiveness score 3. And okay. Now let's create a rank. Rank of our aggregation. Let's use rank uniques. So if the scores are the same, each member has a unique rank. And let's do ascending order. We can create a calculated field to exclude our selected country's value from the ranking list. So if we do if rank aggregation equals to 1, then null, else rank aggregation minus 1. So our new rank excludes Bhutan. So the final step is to return the list of my closest comparators. So let's create a threshold. If new rank smaller or equal to 10, then let's do the attribute of the country, because we're comparing numbers against numbers, else null. Now let's make the vis. So we have the countries and they're ranked with our new ranked value. We can add our closest comparator list. We have to make sure we're compute using our country field. Move country onto detail. And now we have the list that we've been looking for. I hope you enjoyed it and looking forward to new videos soon. Thank you. Bye.